Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter dal fry. Begin by rinsing 1 cup split pigeon peas and soaking for 15 minutes, then drain. Heat 2 tablespoons butter in a pan, add 1 tsp cumin, and toast until fragrant. Sauté onion until golden, add ginger and chilies, then tomatoes. Cook until soft and blend for a silky base before simmering with the dal. Cook the soaked dal with 3 cups water and 1/2 tsp turmeric until very soft, then mash lightly for texture. Keep some cooking liquid aside to loosen the dal later. This keeps it creamy. Finish the dal by stirring in 1 tablespoon butter to enrich the flavor and balance the spices. Taste and adjust salt, then simmer gently so the flavors marry while you prepare the tempering. For the final tempering, warm 2 tablespoon butter with 1 tablespoon oil until hot but not smoking. Add 1 tsp cumin, 1/2 tsp mustard seeds, a few curry leaves, and a pinch of asafoetida. Let them pop and release aroma. Pour this sizzling mixture over the mashed dal and stir gently to incorporate. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon, then serve the butter dal fry with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.